Yes, sir. What it do, baby? Guys, welcome back to the Sixthman Sneaker channel. We are here with questions and answers. So for you guys that have questions that you've been dropping them in the chats, you've been dropping them on my story on Instagram, thank you. And this question is for Patrese. This is a wonderful question, and I think it's going to be very beneficial to others out there that's looking to get into the sneaker resale market. And Patrese, question was, how do you win sneaker raffles, or how do you get a better opportunity to win sneaker raffles? And my tips that I have for these sneaker raffles, or how to increase your chances, this is not 100% foolproof. This is not going to guarantee you sneakers. It's just going to, again, increase your chances. And the first one is going to be increase your number of entries. Do you have brothers, siblings, cousins, mother and father? Do you have friends that can go to your actual area and also enter into sneaker raffles? Okay, and for the sneaker raffles typically include sneakers. It includes Foot Action, Foot Locker, Champ Sports, and Hibbett Sports, and those actually have online raffle entries where you can sign up on your phone, and then you're limited to one profile, one entry per person. Okay, and just the numbers game, you just want to try to get as many entries as possible. Now, number two, another tip, something else that you can try, again, to increase your chances, not 100%, not foolproof, but you have to engage with these brands, with these companies on your profile. Open your phone up, go scroll, go click on different items, search. If you use your app, your usage actually promotes your profile up and give you a better chance to win in the sneaker raffle. And then last but not least, 3, you want to also look at what you can purchase that's not just sneaker related. Are you purchasing t-shirts? Are you purchasing socks? Are you actually shopping and engaging with that store? And that will raise your level and your chances to win in the sneaker raffle. Guys, it's not rocket science, it's not difficult, but you have to show that brand love, and that brand typically will show love back. And those are the 3 tips that I can give into increasing your chances on winning in the sneaker raffle. So Patrese, hopefully you take these and you add them to your repertoire with trying to get in your own sneakers, or if you're trying to become a sneaker reseller, you can definitely increase your sneaker chances by implementing some of these tools that I've just mentioned in this video. So hopefully that you gain something from it. Share it with a friend, share it with some family members, and you may not want to share it because you're trying to hoard all the shoes yourself. But again, I'm here as the Sixthman to be your first option for sneaker reselling information and your first option for sneakers. So thank you for tuning in to the question and answer.